Here's one of my favorite, all-time favorite Agape retaining wall design slash installation. This is a Versa-Lok Mosaic untumbled retaining wall with lights in the wall and just beautiful landscaping. We also have pavers up on top, so let's go take a look at all that. We also have a really cool mailbox at the end down here that's just a lot of fun. Maybe I'll grab it first, show you guys from that side going this way. Beautiful work by the homeowner here in the landscaping. Just wonderful, wonderful stuff. So much fun getting to do this project. This is how it starts off. You come in with this very nice mailbox here and you walk your way around. These mosaic walls are just so pretty. The design here, so much fun as a retaining wall guy to get to install something like this. This was installed by Agape Retaining Walls in, I believe, late 2005, early 2006, and this is a great project. It doesn't just stop here at the walls though. We can come up here and these, so you have the lighting here on the sides of the wall. You can see the lighting in the wall, and then we have these steps that are actually modular block steps, the Versa-Lok steps with the Bullnose Pavers. Just a very nice look. Really enjoyed this look a lot. You got these awesome looking steps here. You get to walk up these steps and get to see this really, really nice patio area that we created for the homeowner. Just so much fun to get to do what I do for a living. This patio area is really very well designed, very solid structurally. You can just see this incredibly good design for these Versa-Lok Mosaic. Picture's worth 1,000 words. This is so nice to be able to construct something like this for a homeowner. Very nice. Very nice. So much fun. It's another great job by Agape Retaining Walls. This once again is a Versa-Lok Mosaic, untumbled. The steps are Versa-Lok blocks with Bullnose Pavers. The lighting is Kerr Lighting. It's actually lighting built into the wall. And of course, least. I consider myself to be very blessed to have the opportunity to get to do this job. Thank you, Lord.